Okay, in this video I want to show you how you can install a WordPress child theme onto your blog. It's very simple to do. If you don't know much about child themes, then you can read on my blog davehayes.co, go to the resources tab, click on the WordPress themes. There's a full explanation there as to what child themes are all about and why you need one. Anyway, the point is that to install it is very simple, and it's good to have it. This one comes from StudioPress, and it's called 1140 Pro. The reason it's been chosen is because it's a very simple, customizable child theme to have. Very simple to install. All you do is you go to StudioPress and you download it from StudioPress onto your computer, which is what I did, and then you come to your dashboard back-end area of WordPress, which is where this is. You click on Add New, and then you look for the theme that you want to choose from wherever you downloaded it onto your computer. In my case, it was my download section, which is a good place to put it. From there, you upload it onto your WordPress dashboard. Now, when you get this child theme, you'll also need to get the Genesis framework. The Genesis framework, which is this one here, also needs to be uploaded at the same time. Now, once you've got your child theme uploaded and the Genesis framework uploaded, what you then do is you simply activate the child theme here, and that will then sit on top of your WordPress theme, as it were, that you've got. But it means that the reason that you have it is because it's easily customizable, and it puts you in control of the theme that you have without it being, if the author should change the theme, means you've got full control of what that does. The Genesis framework one, I'll deal with that in a separate video, but that's how you install a child theme. The 1140 Pro one, which is a very good one. It's the best child theme from the research that I've done. As I say, again, it's explained on my video at davehayes.co under the resources tab, WordPress themes. That's exactly why I put it on there. But that's how you install a WordPress child theme onto your WordPress dashboard. Hope that's been of help and use, and thanks very much indeed for watching.